Most people think you need to stare at charts 12 hours a day to make money trading. No, not anymore. This is an AI trading bot called Pionix Gridbot. It runs 3 minutes a day and it buys here, it sells there, and it makes you profit while you sleep. And from what you can see on this bot has been running for me for a few days. On this day it made me these profits. As you can see, I use different bots, but I really trust this one called the Coinbase AI trend. It runs, buys here on all pairs in the market, sells there on all pairs in the market, and makes you money while you sleep. The good thing about AI trading bots, they don't get tired, they don't get emotional, and they don't get sad like normal human beings. That's why you can see on my Binance, I have 18,542 USDT, all trading for using the Pionix Grid bot, the Coinbase AI trend, and the Wonderbit Grid AI. So on this video today, I'm going to show you also how you can do it. But I want to give you a secret, guys. The platform that hosts these bots, they don't allow everyone on trading. The more people in the platform, they close the bots and the gaps disappear. So it's up to you to be in a hurry, and whenever you see this video, and you come and take this opportunity immediately. But right now there are 47 slots left, so maybe you'll be the one. I don't know, but if you are not, you'll have to wait for the next slots to be open, maybe in weeks or in months. But today I'm going to show you how you can do it. But I want to give you 2 reasons why I'm doing this. Because the platform pays me a small percentage in return when you register with my referral link. So please register with my referral link and also help me, because I'm helping you. Okay? Remember guys, I'm not going to force you to trade. It's either you use the technology I'm showing you to make money, or you don't. Okay? And as days goes, you'll be watching videos on TikTok, wondering how people are making money, hating people as days goes. So it's up to you to take this action right now. Once you see this video, like the video, save it, and take the action right now and start trading. So let's get to it. I'm going to trade with the Pionix Gridbot. Okay. So you need to have an account on Trexbic.com, as you can see on the browser here, and then you need to go to trading bots. Okay, you go on free bots, and then you choose this one called the Pionix Gridbot. All right, and then you click on copy, guys. Once you copy it, you put amount. This is your stake amount. Let's say you stake $100. That will be a return of $43. Okay, and then you can't sign this bot because you don't have enough money. So let me try to sign it without enough money. Let me click sign terms. You can see I have insufficient balance. So because I have insufficient balance, what I'm going to do is deposit. But also guys, in your account dashboard here, when you click on the 3 dots here and go on the crypto wallet, there is a demo. You can use demo account to practice trading so that you can see whether it's working or not. Okay, so but for me today, I'm going to use a real account. So I'm going to deposit right now 200 USDT to test with you live, and it will be up to you to choose whether to do it or not. So let's go. I'll click on deposit, and then I'll wait for it to load, and I'm going to choose funding wallet, and I'm going to put amount 200. Okay, and then I'm going to click on get address, and you can see this is my deposit address. So now I'm going to copy my deposit address and go on my Binance and click on send, because I already have the USDT on my Binance. The good thing is, guys, you can use Binance, you can use any other exchange. So I'm going to click on withdraw and USDT, long press the address here, and then network I'm going to choose TRX because that the network is given, and then amount I'm going to put 201. The $1 fee, the one on top is a dollar fee for the Binance, so that the exchange will receive 200 automatically. And then I'm going to click on withdraw and click on confirm, and I will pause it, and I will continue then and put my passkey. Okay, so I'll put my passkey step by step, live video, no hidden screenshots or anything. This is live and it's working. So now I'll click on view history, and then I'll come here. You can see this is a withdrawal of 200 USDT to the address on my Trexbic account. So at this level, guys, you don't need to do anything. Just wait for the deposit to be credited automatically. It usually takes a few minutes. So let's wait and see. Just give it a few minutes. So guys, as we wait the deposit to be credited, I want to tell you something. When you see this video in your FYP, don't wait, because the more you wait, the gaps will be closed. And when the gaps are getting open, sometimes I'm not available to make videos every day. And or maybe if you don't join my Telegram channel, how will you know that the gaps are there? So join my channel so that you can watch the gaps every day. And this is a life-changing opportunity, guys. So let's wait for the deposit. You can see the deposit has been credited automatically as it was supposed to be. So guys, now the next step, I'm going to click on back here, and you can see I have the amount. So I'm going to do the thing now. I'm going to trading bots, I'm going to choose free, and then I'm going to choose the Pionex grid bots, and then I'll click on copy. Once I copy, I'm going to put amount 200. All right, and then I'm going to click on sign terms. So first, before I sign these terms, guys, I want you to look at this chart. You can see that this chart is normal. It's moving very, very normal. But the moment you click and upload the bot, let's sign the bot on the chart. You can see the bot has been now signed. Now you see how the charts will go. The bot is going to buy, sell, sell, and make you money while you sleep. Let's see. Now the bot is running, and the best thing about this grid bot, guys, it runs within minutes. The most minutes can go, it's 30 minutes, but today it's going to run in 1 minute and 11 seconds. The days differ because of volatility and a lot in the market. So let's wait and see. The bot is running. The bot is running, and it's 0.5 seconds remaining for the bot to finish, guys. And then I will withdraw my profits. So let's give it a few moments. 44 seconds, guys. Remember, guys, this video, when it appears in your FYP, you need to like it and save it. You will never ever find this video anywhere. So you need to be very, very chance taking. This video is for educational purpose only, guys. If you do what I'm doing, you'll buy me a coffee one day. I don't know where that restaurant will be, but I really like Java. Yes, I like Java. You'll buy me a coffee at Java someday. The bot is about to finish, and the bot has finished. You can see, and it has given me 86 USDT in profit. So now, guys, since now that's done, I'm going back, and you can see now the profit, the account balance is 287. So now I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on crypto wallet, and then I'll click on withdraw and put amount. I'll put the amount is on spot, then I'll choose 100%. I'm going to withdraw everything, guys, and then continue. Then I'll paste my USDT address here. So I'm going back to my Binance. So on my Binance, guys, I'll click on add funds, deposit USDT, and then I'll copy my address here. So I'll copy the address, and then I'll go back here and paste it. And then I'll repeat the same and then click on review. Now they have sent me a verification code to my email address. I will go back to my email address. So I will copy my verification code, and then I will go back on my Trexbic and paste and then confirm withdrawal. That's easy as this. So now I'm waiting for the withdrawal to be processed. As you can see, the withdrawal is pending review, and once it starts confirming, it will be successful. So now, guys, I'll go back and check whether the withdrawal has been confirming. Okay, you can see the withdrawal is now confirming, guys. If I click on view and transcan here, let's see, you can see it's 275, like we said, it's confirming, guys. So let's wait. So guys, as you can see, the withdrawal has been confirmed to my wallet, and now if I check on my Binance, the deposit has been confirmed, guys. So that's how you trade using the bot, and make sure you do exactly what I have done, and have a lovely day ahead.